ka-artista, it's Mia Garcia, ang yung artistang paskatalang laos agad. Hashtag ang babaeng palaging nagmamaganda. So for this video, etechuan na naman tayo mga ka-artista. A gift to myself for the month of July. Next naman yan. So next month until December, try naman natin siguro ibahin. Huwag na yung puro gift sa sarili. Pero parang ganun din. Kasi parang I'm planning to
What?
to visit different kind of places for the month of August, September, October, November, December para mabuo natin yung every 23rd of the month. Nagsawa na akong regaluhan yung sarili ko. Charot. Pero kung gusto niyo akong regaluhan every 23rd of the month, pwede rin naman. Padala niyo lang kay Boy B. Char. So, yun mga ka-artista, oh my gosh, this is it. Huwag natin patagalin. Unbox na natin to. Ano ba nga ba? Laks naman yan. So, sino makakahula? What's inside this Pop Mart paper bag? Thank you always mga ka-artista because of you. I have something to buy for myself. For doing long live stream on my channel. I'm planning to, to give myself a reward every month para mas lalo pa tayong sipagin for more encouraging myself. Nakasa English, sana all, encouraging. So yun mga artista, ano pa nga ba to? Oh my gosh, I can't resist na bilhin to, though color pink talaga yung gusto ko. Pero kasi, di ba, as you remember on my yacht vlog, one of my friend named Meg gave me eto na siya. This one. Yan. last month. And then, there's a twin of this. Oh my gosh. May kambal siya doon sa Pop Mart. And si Meg yung nakaisip ng idea na pwedeng twinning, o diba? Kaya, talagang sabi ko, ito na lang siguro yung babayla ko for myself for this month. Para may katabi na siya, may beshuap siya. Ganon. Para happy-happy lang siya dyan sa gilid-gilid ng bahay natin, pag-display, di ba? Cute naman kasi talaga siya in fairness. So thank you so much once again, everyone. Before I'm gonna show you this, I would really love to thank everybody for cheering me, for supporting me, for loving me, my craziness. So, this is it, pansit. Next naman. Ayan na siya. I got this yesterday. Exactly sa Pop Mart store. Nox! Ay! O, diba? Gandara Park din siya kasi. Ang cute-cute niya rin. O, diba? Oh my gosh, welcome to the family. Parang kamukha niya si Gucci. Diba? Welcome to the family, my baby girl. Feel free to higa here. Yan siya. Kita ba? Hindi siya kita. So, itaas natin ng konti. Relax naman yan. So, yan, diba? May kakambal na siya. This is from Meg, and I've got this for myself. Nakas naman. So, they are twinning. Oh my gosh, they are meant to be. And of course, for this video, I would really love to thank my dog as well. For this is a gift. Thank you so much. This is so cute. You surprised me. I like this one because, my real name is Rose. So, this is flower edition of Skull Panda. Diba? Ang cute niya. We're meant to be. Ang cute-cute niya. May pa-petals pa siya sa loob ng eyes niya. Oh my gosh. Ano ba to? Rose? Is it rose or
What?
as far as I know, it's a rose. Or cherry blossom. Charot. But thank you so much. Ang ganda. And with this one, Nox naman yan. Thank you so much, Doc. Gusto na ako maging mabait sa buhay. So, open natin. Tingnan natin. Ay! Nabali. Wala pang open. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to read this. But it's already July. So, hindi natin nabasa yung ibang part. Sayang. Pero we can still read. Diba? Hi! 1 minute with God for women. 365 daily devotions. So, ayan siya. May mga date siya actually. From January 1 until December 31. So, yan. So, today, anong date na? 20. Ayan. So, for the month of July 20, Legacy Builders. Wow, Nax naman. How does my faithfulness impact generations I will never meet? Nax, ang ganda. So, I'm gonna have a new hobby. Diba? For everyday. This is just a 1 minute. Nax, thank you so much, Doc. Ang ganda naman nito. And in color pink pa. Thank you so much. So that's it for this video. So next month, let's see where we can go or what we can buy for ourselves again. But I think I must visit a new place. Wag muna tayo mag-gift to myself para more explore, di ba? So yun naman ang ating goal this year. Mag-travel, magpahinga, because health is wealth, di ba? Di mabibili ang health. So, yun. Thank you so much, everyone. Ingat po ang lahat at ingat as always. And see you again on my YouTube live streaming every Monday to Saturday, 2:30 p.m. onwards. And on my next video and on my shorts video. Thank you so much for the love. I love you all.